let's see what we got here. The Smash and Slide construction site. And who does it come with?
Ty Rux.
Ty Rux. We'll just turn this around.
And Rabbit lives on it. And Rabbit.
Yeah, they can go here too.
And Ty Rux.
Should we open it up?
Ty Rux is he's a bad guy.
Yeah, DinoTrux is a bad guy. Maybe he's just misunderstood.
Yeah.
Can you take the stuff out? Here he is. Ty Rux. He's a good guy.
Yeah.
What's in this bag, Jack?
It's all pieces.
Yeah, the smaller pieces. And what's that yellowish thing?
The puller.
Yeah, that's the best part. Boy, this is a hard one to open. There's that boulder. All right, let's figure out how to build this. Okay, Jack, let's try this out. Drive them up.
And put the step. And now put this down. And put to go inside.
Are you setting it back up?
Yep.
Oh, he went through the hole.
Bash the wall.
Whoa, what just happened?
Rabbit came up.
Yeah, those are his secret plans.
Rabbit came up. Look, it's Ty Rux. His play park.
What? Can he open this door?
Yep.
Whoa, what's inside?
A boulder. Let's put in Ton.
Check it out, guys. We've connected this with our other Dino Trucks set. They hook up together, so they attach right on their ramps. Okay, we got two boulders in here.
I want to show you something that Ton jumps to get those.
Wow.
Look, this set comes with two boulders. One comes in here.
You can see that boulder is hiding inside of our new set. And the other boulder is in our other set. Oh, there the boulder went.
This goes up. I'll put this down so this can come through. I want to show you the other way too.
Yep, he goes like that, smashes down the wall, and scoots down.
Smash it. Rabbit came up. This on to go.
Hey Jackie, do you like these toys? Are they cool?
Yeah.
Nice.
That works. Put this up and put this guy up here and put this down. Alex.
Click on the video to watch more Jack Plays.